Okay, so this is part 2 in our modeling of our font, the Adidas font, part 2. So I'm gonna hit 5. I made an A, I made a D. Okay. I want to get rid of this our 3D world grid. It's annoying to look at. So I'm going to go under Show. Okay, under this panel it says Show, and we're going to look for something called Grid. The bottom here called Grid. I'm going to unclick that and get rid of it. Super annoying to look at right now. Okay, so I'm going to make this I. I'm going to click outside, and I'm going to go again, create, type, and I'm going to zoom out, and here it is. It says 3D type because it's in here. I don't want that. I also don't want this Lucida font. I'm going to highlight it, hit delete. I'm going to type in Avant-Garde LT book, hit enter. Inside here, I'm going to delete all that. I'm going to type I. And we have it right there. I'm gonna go into my channel box, and I'm gonna just move it over. And I want to see what was my scaling for my other ones. 0.507, 0.507. So I'm gonna make this as well. Highlight all of it. 0.507. Hit enter. And I'm gonna just move it over like so. Okay, good. Now, since that's done, I'm going to make my another D. Create, type. I'm gonna type in Avant-Garde LT. I'm gonna type in D, hit okay, and I'm going to my channel box. I'm gonna hit R or W. I'm gonna just move it down, and I'm gonna go under scale, type in 0.507. There you go. I'm gonna move it over. Okay. You may wonder, why didn't I just copy the original D and move it over? I just didn't want to. I just wanted to show repetition, and at the same time it has the history. This is your history. Everything that was needed to make these things. Okay, and the actions that we did is called the history. Now I'm gonna make the A, another A. Go to create, type. I'm gonna go in here, Avant-Garde, hit enter. I'm gonna type in here A. Drag it down, go into my channel box, under my scale, 0.507, hit enter, and I'm gonna move it over, and I'm gonna drag it down a bit. Finally, my S, I'm gonna go to create, type, go in here, Avant-Garde LT book, S. There you go. Go into my channel box. I'm gonna go under scale, 0.507, hit enter, and I'm gonna move it over. Oh, this is a lot different. Very different. See how different it is? It's similar, but it's different. Okay. I hit the space bars to go into my different views. For this one, it needs to be thicker. It's just design wise, it's thrown off. It looks like my 3 blocks are gonna squish my Adidas text. So I need to make it thicker. So what can I do? I'm gonna hit R, and I'm gonna pull that, and I believe I had it set to 2, so I'm gonna set it to 2. That should do it. Alright, hit W. Yeah, it's 2. Undo it. Alright, so the next one, I'm gonna select my next one. Under the scale Z, okay, you see here, this blue means Z. Do you see that blue? We want to scale it that way. So that's Z. I'm gonna just highlight under scale Z, type in 2, and there we go. Next one. Let's see if I hit G, which repeats the last command. Oh, that doesn't work. Forget that. Huh. Let me just delete that. Don't hit G. I thought it would do the repeat last command, but it didn't. So I selected this. I'm gonna go into my channel box, and under scale Z, I'm gonna type in 2. Same thing for this one. Scale Z, type in 2. Same thing for this one. Scale Z, type in 2. Same thing for this one. Scale Z, type in 2. And this is our font. And we're gonna move this over to line it up with the 3 slanted towers, so it just design wise it's balanced. So that's the end of this tutorial. Next tutorial we're just gonna align things better.